Welcome to Python Programming Language video tutorials by Shine India Pvt Limited. I am your Posubabu Sir, Technical, Quant, Logical Reasoning Trainer. In this presentation, I would like to discuss two methods. One is reverse method and second one is index method. Without wasting our time, let's start and discuss about these methods. At first, let me discuss what is reverse method. Let me write here a reverse, and using this method, we can reverse the elements from the list. Now, let us see the syntax for this method. Let me write here the syntax. So, syntax is list name dot reverse. So, this is what the syntax for this reverse method. To better understand this method, let us take an example. So A is equal to list object name. Here it is A. So let us take certain list here. So 3, 10, 99, one float value, and one string. So this is what I have taken in this list object. Now let us apply reverse method. So for this reverse method, so you have to write list name dot reverse. So when you are writing this, what will happen? The elements which are there in this list object will be reversed and update it in the same variable, which means original list will be modified. So if you write a statement which is print A, so updated list you will be getting, right? So updated list means what here? So you will be getting the output as Python, which means the elements will be reversed. So this is what the output you will be getting using this reverse method. So I hope everybody clearly understood what I have conveyed here. So to make it in a better way to understand, let me open my IDE and execute the same. Let us write here A is equal to certain elements here. So Python, and then I'm writing here some float values and one complex number. So 3 plus 10j. Now let us apply reverse method, A dot reverse. And let us print A so that you could understand. So here the modified list you got it, right? So reverse method will perform the action, that is what it will reverse the elements and stores in same list object, which means A will be updated and you are getting the output as like this one. So I hope everybody clearly understood with this reverse method. Now let us discuss index method. Let me erase it. Let me write here index method. So using this index method, we can find the index of particular element in the list. So this is what we can identify or do using this index method. Now let me write the syntax for this index method. So the syntax is, so first you have to write list name dot index, and here you can pass three parameters. The first parameter is object. Here, what is meant by object means element, list element, element or item. You have to pass so one of the element over here, and this method will be searching that element and identify at which index it has been located and returns what? The index number, right? So this method returns what? It returns the index number of object, right? So object means here element. And what could be the next parameter? Next parameter is start, right? And the last parameter is stop. So here, what is meant by start? A start means from which index number? From which index number? Index number you wish to perform searching operations. You wish to perform searching. So which from which index number you wish to perform searching operation, right? So whereas the stop, up to what index number? Up to what index number you wish to search the element or object, right? Now, here we have a default start. Default start means here it is 0, which means so we will be starting from 0th index onwards. If you are not mentioning, so of start, then what will happen? It will be taking it as a 0. I hope you could understand. So these two are optional parameters. These two are optional parameters, right? So since it is an optional parameters, so by default, it takes the start as a 0 index. And default start is, let me write here, default start is length of the list. Length of the list, right? So these two are the optional parameters. So as per the requirement, we will be using it, right? So start, the default start we have, that is a 0. So what about stop? Default stop is length of the list, right? So this is what the syntax for this index method. Now let me take one example so that you could understand in a better way, right? Now let me write here some a is equal to, let me write here four elements, 4, 10, 99, 9.8. So I have taken four elements in this list object. Now let me write the syntax here, a dot index of, I just want to find the index for 99. Now what output you will be getting? So the output is, so it will be search where 99 it is located. So let me write the index numbers here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So at which index number this 99 is located? Index number 2. Hence you will be getting output as 2. So I hope it is clear to everybody, right? You might be getting one question in your mind after observing this info. When this element is repeated many times, so in that particular case, which index number you will be getting as your output? Now let me take one more example here. A is equal to, I'm writing the same list again. Now this 99 has been repeated for 3 times here. So in this particular case, so if you perform this operation, that is a dot index of 99, so again you will be getting similar output. So because, so this is what 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 99 is located at index number 2, at index number 4, at index number 5. So this method will be takes the first occurrence of this particular element. First occurrence of this element is located at index number 2, hence it returns a 2. So I hope you could understand what I have conveyed here, right? Now let me execute the same thing so that you could understand in a better way. Now let me remove this and add few more elements to this list. So I'm adding 99, right? Now let us use index method. So a dot index of here which element I would like to search. So first I would like to search for 9.8. Now you could see. So what is the corresponding index number for this element? So which is what 4. Now you could see here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At index number 4, we have 9.8. Now let me write here a dot index of 99. So this 99 is an element which is repeated many times here. Now it will be giving first occurrence of this element. So first occurrence at which index number? So at index number 2. Now let me execute it. The output you will be see over here, it is 2. At index number 2, we have this 99. Now you will be getting one more doubt. So I just want to set this 99 element after index number 3, right? So hence you have to provide start as 3. Start as 3, which means this uh, this method will set the operations from index number 3 onwards, right? Index number 3 means what? It is 0, 1, 2, 3, right? From 3 onwards, it will be searching, and wherever this 99 is there, at again first time, so that particular index number will be printed on the screen. Now let me remove this and execute it. Now we got 6. Now you could see this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At index number 6, we got 99. So it started from where the searching operation from third index. So 0 will be avoided, 1, 2, 3. So up to 3 it will be avoided. So from there it will be searching. And 99, it is there at index number 6. Hence you got the output as 6. So I hope everybody clearly understood what I have conveyed. Now, here stop will not be given. If you want to use stop, you could use it. So by default, it is taking length of the list, right? Now, let me give here some 8. Now execute it. Now again, you got 6, right? So I hope everybody clearly understood what I have conveyed, right? So I'm going to perform again 99. And instead of 3, now I am giving here 7. Now let us see. So output is 7. At 7th index also we have 99, right? So what is 7th index? This is what 7th index, right? So this is what 6th index. So we have started operations from 7th index and ended at index number 8. Now let me take here 9, and you could see again the output as 7. So I hope everybody clearly understood what I have conveyed. Now you will be getting one more question. So if the element which is not present in the list, then what will happen? So clearly it provides what the output as error. Now let me give one example here. Instead of 9.8, which is there here, I just want to give one element, that is some my. So this element which is not there in this particular list. Now in this case, you will be getting value error. So my, which is not in the list. So this is what the error you will be getting. So I hope everybody clearly understood this index method. If it is clear my video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.